Once in a town lived a rich man. He had a very successful business. He met a man who used to visit his shop daily. With time, they became friends. One day, the rich man had to go out of town with his family. He was worried about his money being kept in the house. He talked to his family about this. They suggested that he should ask his friend for help. The rich man thought that his friend stayed with him most of the time. But still he never got any chance to test his friend's loyalty, and didn't know if he should trust him for his life's earnings. Still, the rich man called his friend and told him about his problem, and then went inside to take the keys to his locker, in which he used to keep his money, and gave him the keys to his locker, and left with his family. After a few days, the rich man returned to his town. Next day, he informed his friend about his return to town and invited him to his house. As soon as the friend entered his house, he started shouting,
"Didn't you trust me? Why did you put stones in your locker? And if you hadn't put money there, then why did you give me the key to that locker?"
Everyone at home was shocked to hear what his friend said. The rich man smiled and said,
"But how do you know? What was inside that locker? You must have opened that locker in my absence."
Friend kept silent. The rich man continued,
"I kept those stones inside that locker because I wanted to test your friendship."
Saying this, the rich man asked him to leave and never to meet him again. His friend left his house in shame. Moral: always think twice before trusting someone. It's good to make friends, but one should not just blindly trust someone. And remember one more thing: not just in financial matters, but even all matters in your life.